I'm Jim Juback, and welcome to this week's Hot Money Moves Now video for Juback Asset Management on YouTube. The question really is, as you look at the market and risk and all that, is gold looks like a very attractive alternative asset, but gold is also trading at record highs. We had depending on what market you use to track it, we had a high on the 4th, the 5th, the 10th. These are all-time highs for the market. So the question really is, okay, so gold may be safe, especially if inflation starts to tick up a little bit. But really, how much more can you expect to see gold go up? Now, I think one of the things that I'm watching very carefully is to see who might be emerging as buyers. One of the reasons that gold has been trading so high recently is that central banks have been buying gold to diversify away from the dollar, to hedge risks, etc. The most interesting recent announcement I've seen came out of China, where the Chinese government has said, hey, we've got a lot of insurance companies which hold too much in the way of risky property investments and would like to give them a safer alternative to invest in. And so what they basically said last week was that 10 big Chinese insurance companies will be allowed to put as much as 1% of their portfolios into gold. This is the first time this has been possible. It's about another $27 billion available to go into gold. And once you start down this road, why not go to 2% or 3%? Anyway, this is the next big sign that I think there are a lot of people out there trying to hedge risk in gold and owning some gold in your own portfolio. Own the S&P Gold Trust, GLD, which I own in my ETF portfolio on Juback Asset Management. Gold stocks, not as much as pure gold. So that's my recommendation right now. I think we've still got more gold upside to come because we're starting to see people go, hey, the world is a riskier place than we thought, and maybe I want to put something into a hedge asset. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we do our next one. We're doing about 3 a week. If you want more of my free stuff, you can go to my free site. That's jubackpicks.com. That's got 3 portfolios for 12 to 18 months, 5 years, and dividends, as well as we do about 1 or 2 posts a day. If you want even more of my stuff, you can go to my paid site. That's Juback Asset Management, which has those 3 portfolios plus 3 more for ETFs, for volatility, and for really long-term, longer than 5 years stocks. And last but not least, I moved to Italy in September 2023. If you'd like to follow my adventures here, I'm living in Venice right now. Lived for the summer in Sicily. You can follow along Substack. It's free, and the Substack newsletter is We Moved to Italy, and you can find links to all those things down below. Thanks very much for watching.